Live a luxurious lifestyle in this extraordinary home while experiencing breathtaking views. It's located in the desirable Alder Ridge neighborhood, close to multiple Forest Park trailheads, and with easy access to downtown Portland, Nike, and Intel. The dramatic entry welcomes you home. Discover custom craftsmanship, new motorized window coverings, built-ins, a gas fireplace, and luxury finishes throughout. The chef's kitchen with an oversized island features quartz countertops and new stainless steel appliances. Plus a huge walk-in pantry. Entertain or just relax on your expansive decks, perfectly situated for spectacular views. You'll find inviting, entertaining spaces. And double doors open to the main level office. The main floor primary suite is a retreat within the home with direct access to the deck. The spa-like ensuite bath includes a refreshing rain shower, beautiful soaking tub, and a massive walk-in closet with organizers. This home of more than 5,700 square feet has plenty of space with additional bedrooms, including this generous secondary suite with gorgeous views and a newly remodeled bath. You'll also find a large bonus room, new carpet, and fresh interior paint. Plus another remodeled full bath. Downstairs is perfect for the entertainer with an elegant full wet bar, a dual-zone built-in wine cooler, and a movie theater room providing an unparalleled cinematic experience. You'll also love the home gym. A newly installed lit ceiling frames the second expansive deck. It overlooks the serene backyard with gorgeous landscaping. Other features include a new top-of-the-line ADT home security system, Sonos wireless speakers, and a new smart furnace and AC. A remarkable home with amazing views. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.